What's up? Welcome to Con Cube, and today I'll be doing the unboxing of this new cube to my collection, that is Qiyi Qizheng S, which is 5x5 cube. Okay. So I ordered this cube from Amazon, and it costed me around 450 rupees. Okay. So let's see on to the box first. These are my old cube. This is Qiyuan Thunderclap and this is YJ Guansu 4x4. Okay, so I did the review of these two in my previous videos. You can check out from there. Okay, so let's put out aside and focus on the main cube. Okay, so let's see on to the box. Whoa, how is the box? Okay, it has a nice colorful yellow box. Here I have ordered stickerless. This is my first stickerless cube. Okay, and here you can see the logo. Right here it's a photo of Misc, who is the 3x3 cube record holder. Right, he's the greatest speed cuber, Misc. Right, also Felix is also good. Okay, and at the back side they have written just normal warning that it should be used 3 year plus and all everything. On the downside it has a sticker which has this barcode, right, and also the MRP is written as 1200 and it is produced in Mumbai, Thane, from Adichai Avid Enterprise. Okay, so these are just useless information. So let's go into the box directly. So when you open the box, you get this normal tutorial which you get from mostly all of the cubes. You get this type of page from every cube if you do unboxing. Okay, so this is the first thing. So let's come on to the main thing, that is the cube. So I ordered this cube because it has a great review, good reviews on Amazon also and Cubelelo also. So I ordered this cube. So let's see whether it's good or not. So you can see that it's not good at all. I think I'm gonna return this cube because it is not at all smooth. Let's see, it is not at all smooth at all. It is not for the beginner, like who are looking for the what do we call it, smoothness, like it should be properly lubed before from the box only. That is what all beginners want. I'm also a beginner in 5x5, so I also want that it should be pretty smooth in from the box only, and I don't have to do any other lubing, because you know that lubes also come very expensive these days, and as a beginner I don't want to spend such a money on cubes for lubing it. Also it is a very time consuming process, and also it's boring. It takes more than 1.5 hour to lube this cube. This is a 4x4. Okay, so now it's perfect. Also this 3x3, this is my best cube till now I've ever got. That it came lubed only from starting, from the box. When I put it out from the box, it was lubed, and I never lubed this cube, and you can see that it is pretty very smooth. So I just love this cube, and I didn't got this type of cube after this. So Thunderclap is basically a great cube. Okay, also since you have already seen that the color, okay, let's talk about the color. Okay, the color is quite good and vibrant. I don't have any complaint with the colors. Okay, as you can also see, these are very beautiful colors, right? So color is great, but finishing is also great. The cube looks great, but it doesn't have any good features. Like if you want to do 45-degree corner cutting, it's not possible. See, you can see that how hard it is. So you need to lube this cube before start cubing, otherwise it won't be good, as I can see now. Okay, so if I want to say whether you should buy or not, it's a definitely a thumbs down for this cube. You can increase your budget range and buy a cube which already comes with lube. Okay, like which is already lubed, when you, so that when you put it out from the box you get the fully lubed cube and you are ready to go with the cubing. Okay, so I personally didn't like this cube much. Okay, so but I'll put one more review that after lubing uh, how does it perform. Okay, so I guess that was all for the review. I hope you liked my review. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Also thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Okay, so it creates a room for me to improve my videos, right? So thank you guys, and tell me in the comment section how was your experience with this cube. Okay, so thank you guys. Bye bye.